Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam.24/7 as we continue our idiom and phrase fourth series. Today is our fourth lecture on this series. As we know that you are knowing about me, educated by profession, clear SSC and railway examination, and also clear state BRLPS examination. By profession, I am an engineer in electrical from MMU, got third rank in the department. So today our first idiom is brought up, means to meaning, introduced for discussion. Use in the sentence. She was brought up her by grandfather, means that if you are going to somewhere in the family, they introduce to their family that this is a person, a name, something that they are belong from this place. That means simply अगर आप कहीं जाते हो तो आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया जाता है अपने फैमिली मेंबर से. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ब्राउट अप. नेक्स्ट वन इज cannot hold a candle to, means cannot be compared to. You cannot compare two profession or two things in the same manner. Just like in the sentence we see that engineering and medical profession cannot be candle, means that we cannot compare engineering and medical, that they are the same field. Their profession are different, their aspect are different. Here is the meaning. Next one is boat. Burn one boat, means leave no means of turn, means that you do something worse that you apology cannot given to you. That uses in the sentence. First we see uses. He has already burned his boat. I cannot help him now. That some mistake you have committed, and that mistake was very much bigger. So your friend cannot help you. Means that समथिंग लाइक आपने कोई बहुत बड़ी गलती की और उसके लिए आपको माफ़ी नहीं मिलेगी, तो आपको कहा जा रहा है कि आपने एक बहुत बड़ी गलती की है. दैट इज द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ बोट वन बोट. नेक्स्ट वन इज मेक वंस फ्लैश क्रीप, मीन्स हॉरिफाइड, डर जाना. मीन्स होता है ना कि आप अगर कोई चीज़ देखते हो और डर जाते हो, तो वहाँ पर इस सेंटेंस इस इडियम का यूज किया था, मेक वन फ्लैश क्रीप. Uses in the sentence. Many people make one flesh creep after seeing horror movie. As we know that many people afraid to see the horror movie. आप लोग जानते हो कि बहुत लोग एक हॉरर मूवी देखने से डरते हैं. वहाँ पर ये इडियम यूज किया जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज प्रो एंड कॉन, मीनिंग एनालाइज ऑफ ऑल द फैक्ट, मीन्स दैट यू गेट ऑल द डिटेल्स अबाउट द थिंग्स. Means that if you go to a shop and purchase a TV, so what you do, you get all the details about the TV. What is the advantage, what is the additional accessory given to you, all the things you go you know about that. Like अगर कोई लड़का बाइक खरीदता है तो उसके बारे में वो पहले से पूरा डिटेल्स मालूम करता है थ्रू द इंटरनेट, थ्रू फ्रेंड, या जिसके पास वो बाईसाइकिल हो तो उससे अगर पूरा डिटेल्स लेता है तो उससे कहते हैं बाय प्रो एंड कॉन्स, मीन्स नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों फैक्ट हम लोग चेक करते हैं. टू टेक इनटू अकाउंट, आवर नेक्स्ट इडियम. टू मीन्स टू कंसीडर, टू टेक इनटू अकाउंट, किसी चीज को देखना. जस्ट लाइक आई होप माय टीचर विल टेक इनटू अकाउंट द फैक्ट दैट आई वाज इल जस्ट बिफोर द एग्जामिनेशन व्हेन ही इवैल्यूएट माय टेस्ट पेपर. मीन्स दैट a student was ill, sick before the examination, so he hoped that his teacher will understand his condition and evaluate the paper according to their situation. Next one is blow over, means pass off. Pass off is गुजर जाना. जैसे कहते हैं ना कि आपका खराब समय गुजर चुका है, तो उसे कहते हैं. Used in the sentence, the scandal will blow over, means that ये नेगेटिव पार्ट भी हमारा लाइफ से चला जाएगा. Next one is run into, meaning to experience difficulties. Run into means you have bad phase of your life. Used in the sentence, the storm is coming. Local have run into after the storm over. Means that किसी एरिया पर तूफान आ रहा है, समुद्री तूफान. Then जब वो समुद्री तूफान वहाँ से गुजर जाएगा तब वहाँ के जो लोकल्स होंगे, लोकल निवासी, तो उनको उसके बाद प्रॉब्लम फेस करना होगा. ये इस इडियम का मीनिंग है. Next one is blue eye boy, means favorite. This is my favorite idiom, blue eye boys, means that you are favorite in the front of your known person, means that here in the US, Pawan is blue eye boy in the engineering time, means that the Pawan is a student who pursuing their engineering and he is the best boy of his department, so teacher always admire him about his success and his passion of study. मीन्स दैट अगर कोई स्टूडेंट स्कूल में पढ़ने में अच्छा है तो उसे हर कोई टीचर अपना फेवरेट स्टूडेंट बना कर रखते हैं, तो उसे बोलते हैं ब्लू आई बॉय होना, सबकी नज़रों में पसंदीदा होना. नेक्स्ट वन इज ड्रॉपिंग नेम्स, मीन्स हिटिंग एट हाई कनेक्शन, मीन्स दैट जब आप ड्रॉपिंग नेम मीन्स दैट हिटिंग एट हाई कनेक्शन, means that when you caught by police, you just name the big officer and the politician that I know this MP, MLA, SP, DSP or DIG, that you get fired from your job if you not release me, like this. होता ना, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि पुलिस के पकड़े जाने के बाद हम लोग एक बड़ी बड़ी लोगों का नाम लेते हैं, that I know this person and they know me, so if you not release me then you have faced a trouble. So the perfect example of dropping names. Next one is a rate-related day, means an important day. Use in the sentence, the day that I start my journey toward my real career was a rate day later for me. Means that some person start their life in the corporate world. Then the first day he said, this is the important day in my life. इसका ना कि किसी को कहते हैं कि अपने जिंदगी का बहुत ही यादगार पल करते हैं, तो उसे कहते हैं ए रेट लेटर बॉय. Here is the 10 most important idiom get finished. If you like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment, and if you have suggestion to improve our video on something else, please drop a comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.